Many see the Emirates only with the eyes of the Burj Khalifa, the Palm Island, Abu Dhabi Louvre, its deserts, its magnificent nature, and its strong infrastructure. They forget the cultural products and the monuments of the Emirates year after year, with a slogan that dazzles everyone. With its soft power, cultural and civilizational productions, how great, Emirates! Many rulers have been seen by history, but those with visions and proper planning are really few. And here, it was really the outstanding label that was marked 2020 as a year of Rashid, similar to the emperors, Caesars, and sultans who were known with wisdom, with proper planning. So among those leaders was Sheikh Rashid bin Saeed Al Maktoum, the godfather of the Renaissance of the Emirate of Dubai, which, thanks to his insightful vision, has turned into a world-class city. Sheikh Rashid took over Dubai in 1958 and made many achievements. The most important of them, 1959, ordered to start digging Dubai Creek, turning the area into a major economic center. 1960, he opened Dubai International Airport, which is today one of the most important airports in the world. 1963, founding of the Dubai National Bank Limited, the first national bank. 1968, first meeting with Sheikh Zayed and declaration of the Union document. 1968, worked with Sheikh Zayed by issuing the Dubai Abu Dhabi Unity document. 1970, expansion of Dubai Creek. 1972, construction of the Rashid Port. 1978, construction of the Dubai World Trade Center. 1979, Jebel Ali Port achievement. What do you expect Emirates to achieve in a year of Rashid?